Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to clear your Windows delivery optimization cache. So delivery optimizations is a feature in Windows that helps in downloading updates and apps more efficiently by using both local and internet-based sources. Cleaning up the delivery optimizations cache can fix storage problems and free up plenty of disk space without affecting the operations of the system. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is to clear delivery optimizations cache via Windows settings. All you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong settings, ang next step dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system. At dito sa right side ay scroll down and select mo lang dito yung storage. So i-click mo lang yan. And then once na-open mo na tong storage, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung temporary files. So itap mo lang ito. So once na-open mo na tong temporary files, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung delivery optimization files. So i-check mo lang tong box. And next step kung paano ba natin ito remove or i-delete. So dito lang ulit sa taas and makikita mo dito yung remove files, and then i-click mo lang yan. Okay? And the other method na pwede natin gawin is using this cleanup. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung disk cleanup. Ayan, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung disk cleanup app. And then next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong disk cleanup, so drive selections. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung ating C drive and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And pop up itong disk cleanup. Ang next step, so dito lang sa files to delete, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung delivery optimization files. So i-check mo lang yung box, and dito sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, and the last method na pwede natin gawin is to manually delete delivery optimizations cache files. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, and then type mo lang dito yung File Explorer. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong File Explorer, so dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung This PC. And dito sa Devices and Drive, so select mo lang dito yung ating C drive. So select and double click. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung program data. So scroll down at hanapin mo dito yung program data. So select and double click ulit. And then next step, so scroll down ulit at i-locate natin dito yung Microsoft. And once na-locate mo na yung Microsoft, so select and double click ulit. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Windows. So scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung Windows. So select and double click. And dito sa Windows ay kailangan mo lang is-locate dito yung cache or delivery optimizations files dito. So select mo lang dito yung cache. So select and double click. And then kailangan mo lang i-delete itong lahat na file. So Control plus E. And then dito sa taas ay click mo lang dito yung delete. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to clear delivery optimization cache in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.